Mm. Oh my god, the box! The box looks beautiful! Ladies and gentlemen, I have no idea why I'm making this video. I'm gonna freaking react to PC builds. Satisfying PC builds. Now, you guys might not realize you guys might not realize that PC building is actually very satisfying. So, we're gonna react to some. Look at that. Ooh. Whoa! Oh. Oh, I love it when. Oh my god. Oh, look at those RAMs. Oh my god. Oh yes, the plastic. Oh yes. Why aren't you showing it? Okay, good. Oh, look how good they look. They look so nice. Yeah, put those babies in. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. Tech guy Charlie, bro, I love you. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, hold the phone. This box, I don't know why the box, it just looks so good. The box just looks so, look at the box. Oh my god, I would buy that for the box, to be honest. Oh. Oh my god, look at the RAMs! That looks sexy. Oh, oh my god. Bro, I'm having the best time of my life. Snap that. Bro, this PC looks beautiful. What is that? Oh my god, that. Oh yeah, the freaking paste. Oh my god, the box! The box looks beautiful! Holy shit. Bro, that everything, like in general, must smell so good. Oh my god. The way he's, oh my man. Oh. 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 Beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Smear it all over. What are you doing, man? Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I forgot it's a water cooling. Oh my god. Look how beautiful that looks. I don't know what that means. What a good video. Oh my god. Comment anything. I will react to anything. I swear I will, bro. Damn, this was so good. This was really good. I still can't get over it. I want to show you all my favorite part. It was probably the ending. That part! Bro! Oh my god. Look at all that water go. Look at that beautiful son of a bitch. Oh, this was nice. This part was nice. Oh my god. This part. Look at the. Oh my god. This video is just pure bliss to my eyes and ears. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and yeah, guys, I will see you guys next time.